Yo, what is up everyone? How you guys doing? Whoa. Fail. How you guys doing? So today we are actually going to start on the brake system as far as the rotors and pads. As you guys saw in the last video how in the front pads were a little damaged, so we sent them back to American Muscle. They're sending us new ones. So pretty much we're going to get started on the backs and the front rotors, and then we'll do the rear pads, and then we'll finish it off I think maybe on Tuesday once I get in the pads, and then we'll do the front ones. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for the crew to show up and see what's up, and I think the Hellcat's gonna be coming today also, so I'll take more video of that. I know I didn't take a lot last video, but I'll take more videos of the Hellcat. So yeah, you know, so now it's just waiting to see. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. There's a little fucking Honda. There's a little Honda. There's a little Honda. Hey, park right.
Okay.
There's a little Honda.
You got good news and bad news.
I got good news and bad news for you guys too.
What?
You're going?
Well, what's yours first?
No, you go first.
No.
Okay, go.
You forgot your tools.
No, that's the good news.
What?
We're eating pho.
Huh?
We're eating pho.
Oh, you guys eating pho?
Alright, what's your good news?
Good news is...
What's the bad news?
Wait, good news is you're going. Bad news is you're not getting. Wait, bad news is no. Today, Junior. Good news is you're going. Bad news is you're getting fired.
No. Good news is I hurt my back. Bad news is I really hurt my back. So yeah.
Damn, that rum bend you over that much?
Fuck that.
At work?
Alright, what are we gonna do today?
Yo,
What's up, guys?
I don't know. Pretend to do something like every other day. Nah, we're doing brakes.
We're doing brakes.
We're doing brakes, and we're doing wheels.
We could have done brakes a long time ago, but this fucker right here doesn't know how to look.
Oh, well. Sorry, guys. We're gonna do wheels today, so let's just not even record. Oh, yeah, it is. So I'm gonna prep the wheels, try to get them back to live.
Bitch, we're buying new wheels. You don't need to. What are we getting? Toyo's R88s? Is that what we're getting?
Wheels? Wheels?
tires.
Wheels is this.
Tires.
Tires is this.
Tires.
So, like, hello?
Hey, dude, actually, it's pretty sick.
No, it doesn't like it. Look, because according to her, it's her car. Dude, don't mess with my rap, dog.
Yeah,
That's
dude.
some sponsored rap right there.
Yeah, by
Sponsored by
Turtle.
what? El Tortuga?
El Tortuga.
That's some turtle
El
rap right
Tortuga.
there. It's not
Look.
turtle wax no more.
Look,
Ow!
look. Good shit, man. Good quality.
And
Just
how,
hides up all the parts.
it has more grip than my grip tape on my skateboard.
Quick pit stop at where?
AutoZone.
AutoZone. We need to get some lube, some brake lube. Alright, so we want to AutoZone.
You never say the product.
Bitch, it says right there. You know what, AutoZone? We need a brand deal. We taking your ass out of this fucking video. We got a brake cleaner, cheap ass shit, and then we got brake lube. Whatever this shit is. We need this for the car, for the brakes. And then this guy's fucking showing off the small dick he has.
There's a hole you put your car up here.
Yeah, put your car up here.
I already moved it like 10 times.
Is it stock?
Totally stock.
Totally stock. see if it fits.
This right here is worth more than your ratchet that you bought. Yeah, they do fit.
Oh, here, let me.
Those are 20 by 11.
You know what, Chan? You
What's
still got space.
Gotcha. So, because of storage fees and everything, I think $25 a tire.
Oh yeah, it was great. Fucking great.
It's just a roasted.
And the officer's like, oh, you know, I'm getting.
I already did tools.
For speeding until like 80. And I'm like,
I don't need this. Yeah, I need this.
Well, the officer's like, oh, shh.
How are you working his side?
He's like, well, I'm not gonna
He doesn't.
It's right there.
Yeah. So that's what he didn't say anything, but I know he got this.
We need a bigger one.
And we're like, but at the same time, we're like, you're lucky we have.
You just hit the car.
We do that.
What are you doing?
Taking the bolt from the back.
Wrong one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Give me that.
Fuck that.
The brother.
Since my mom said it.
I don't have any blue.
Yeah, you gotta take off that one.
Well, I drink, pero me voy ya cuando siento que ya.
No cabe, güey.
Okay, we drink.
Okay,
I don't
move.
drink when I'm
No,
drunk.
tell me which one.
Oh, I gotta see, so I'm saying move.
So he's gonna say these are his hands. Hey man, you got some pretty veiny hands.
Thanks, bro. PowerStop.
We're gonna. How did you show up to like 2?
Pull that pin off.
Like photo shoots or whatever, you're fine. You don't need to, but as long as you have photos and videos of yourself. So I already did all of them.
Making new lowering springs. These are struts, right?
No. These are shocks.
Shocks. You want to be Facebook famous?
Right, YouTube famous. Right there. Wait. Go. Now we're getting free. Cops are gonna get called.
Cops are gonna be here in like 10 minutes. Hey, so Jerry, tell me what's in here.
So
What do we got?
this is a 5.
V6.
This is a V6 with
V6?
the Boss 302.
With the
manifold
302?
intake.
Okay, manifold intake. Okay.
It just pulls like about 200 horsepower.
Two what?
Eh.
260? Well,
Yeah,
give me specific numbers.
280
280.
Make it
Okay.
280.
280.
and 100 to the torque.
100 to the torque. Okay. What else? What else is in here?
That's
What other
about
mods?
it. And we did 47 pounds of injectors.
Okay.
And our next mod is gonna be twin turbo
Twin turbo. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
and NOS
And NOS.
probably tomorrow.
Okay. All right. So that's Monzo's car right there.
That's Mensel's car.
That's Mensel's car. As from you heard it from Turtle.
Keep talking shit. This car's never gonna get finished.
Race
You're
car.
talking shit, dude.
Garage in your house.
Flash the light. Let's see Jerry's paint job.
That's on the inside. You can't tell.
Oh
I should
shit.
have done this.
Oh,
too.
you already did it.
Wait, I should have done that white top.
Take it off again.
Nah, we'll do this on Saturday.
Well, you already there.
Well, we're
It's
gonna go
cold.
weed rating. It's cold too.
Yeah.
I don't want to get like.
Or just spray from up here.
It's cold.
I have to clean the whole thing. We'll do it Saturday. You'll do the calipers and I'll do this. When you're taking off the calipers.
Oh, it's not metal.
What is up, everyone? How you guys doing? So it is gonna be the next day. I know yesterday at night it was pretty hard to see what we did, but pretty much what we got done was the rotaries on all four sides. We got the brake pads. We got the brake pads done on the front. We're just waiting for the rear ones because we had a defect on ours, so American Muscle shipped us out new ones, and they should be coming in, I believe, Monday. So once the parts arrive from American Muscle on Monday, I believe Tuesday or one of the following days, we're gonna be installing the rear brake pads, and then after that, we're gonna do the flush. You know, we're gonna clean the brake pads, all that. We pretty much lubed up the front ones. We're gonna lube up the back ones. That's what we're using, and this is how it came out so far. So these are the new ones right here that we got. We got the Evolution ones. So we got that right there. Came out pretty good. This is the old one, as you can see, rusted up. It's been sitting for 12 years, the vehicle. Gonna be adding new suspension, some lowering springs, some new shocks and struts. I'm debating whether to go Coney, I believe that's how you pronounce it, or to go with the Billington ones again. We'll see. Debating. Let me show you these. So there we go. Got these guys in. Got the caliper in already. Show you this side. So pretty much shout out to Monzo for pretty much doing all of this for me, and the Cobra's coming out pretty good. Got those wheels right there for the Hellcat. Got the wheels and tires for the Hellcat. Got the wheels and tires for the Cobra. Those are all pretty much gone, so I'm gonna be getting new tires soon. I'll see you guys in the next video when we install the rear brake pads and when we do the fluid flush. Alright, later guys, bye.